Imagine having the power of a supercomputer right in your own home, condensed into a sleek and efficient design that's smaller than you'd think. That's exactly what NVIDIA DGX Spark Personal brings to the table. This isn't just any computer, folks, it's a mini supercomputer designed specifically for artificial intelligence and high-performance computing. And let me tell you, it feels amazing to use. First off, let's talk about performance. With up to 1 petaFLOP of AI processing power, this thing can handle some serious computations. To put that into perspective, a petaFLOP is like a billion calculations per second. That's what you get with the Grace Blackwell architecture inside NVIDIA DGX Spark Personal. But here's the cool part. This local processing muscle can actually help speed up your workflow when working on AI projects. By doing model fine-tuning, inference, and analytics locally, you can significantly reduce the time it takes to get results, which means more time to experiment, prototype, and innovate. And that's exactly what NVIDIA DGX Spark Personal is all about, empowering creativity and innovation in a super efficient package. With seamless integration of the full NVIDIA AI software stack, you can develop your ideas locally and deploy them anywhere, whether that's on your laptop, desktop, cloud, or even a data center. Now, I know some of you might be thinking, but how much power is this thing using? Well, rest assured, it's designed to be energy efficient, making it perfect for use in a home office or at the desk. Plus, with NVIDIA DGX Spark Personal, you're not just getting raw processing power, you're also unlocking new possibilities like rapid testing and validation of large models, up to 200 billion parameters at FP4. To put that into perspective, imagine being able to experiment with those massive models directly on your desktop, without having to send them off to a cloud or data center. That's the kind of freedom NVIDIA DGX Spark Personal offers, all in a compact and stylish design that'll fit right under your desk. So what does it feel like to use this thing? It's incredibly satisfying, trust me. The interface is intuitive, the performance is blazing fast, and the whole experience just feels right. Like you're tapping into something special. Overall, NVIDIA DGX Spark Personal is an absolute game-changer for anyone serious about AI and high-performance computing. With its unbeatable specs and seamless integration with the full NVIDIA AI software stack, it's the ultimate tool for unlocking your creative potential. Ready to experience it for yourself? Head on over to the link below to check out the best price on NVIDIA DGX Spark Personal, and get ready to unleash your inner innovator.